Mandatory signs. Go straight ahead. You must continue forward. Turn right. You must turn right. Turn left. You must turn left. Straight or right only. Only these directions are allowed. Straight or left only. Only these directions are allowed. Pass on the right. Go around the obstacle on the right. Pass on the left. Go around the obstacle on the left. Roundabout. You must follow the roundabout direction. Seat belt mandatory. Wearing a seat belt is required. Helmet required. Mandatory for motorcyclists. Lights on required. Headlights must be on. Cycle path. Reserved for bicycles. Pedestrian path. Reserved for pedestrians. Bus lane. Only buses are allowed. Direction mandatory. Follow the indicated direction. Snow chains required. Chains must be used in snow. Minimum speed limit. Do not drive below this speed. Mandatory equipment. Specific equipment is required. Designated lane. You must use the indicated lane. One-way direction. Traffic is allowed in one direction only. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share if this video helped. Watch next video. Thanks.